Hi, this is the ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's launch for the settings application, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone notification, alarm, media and call volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side this volume. These dots on each of the volume panel. Here we got the volume adjustment mode. We could switch it from the stock Android to the ASUS optimized. To activate it, turn on the outdoor mode. Here in volume panel switching options, we could also switch the native menu to tap to switch. To activate it, turn off the complete mute mode. So to set media volume to 0 when in mute. In volume singing option, we have selected now the ringtone notification. We can switch it to turn off volume singing. To activate it, turn on the smart ringtone. To change volume key default control, now we have selected the media volume, and when we'll switch it to the ringtone with the help of the volume buttons, we will change the ringtone volume. Also in media section, we got here options to pin media player and to show media recommendations. With the help of the switchers, we could turn on and turn off all of these options. Let's go back. Also we could switch the audio wizard option to change the Bluetooth volume control. To activate it, turn off the don't disturb mode, priority mode. To activate it, turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. To change phone ringtone, alarm and notification sounds. To activate dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds, touch sounds and startup sounds with the help of the switchers. Also we could turn on and turn off the vibration and haptics and to switch them level with the help of this with these panels. So by this way, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.